Deflection heads are formed at the head of partitions and linings, allowing slabs to deflect under load without compromising the performance and integrity of the system below. The build-up of a deflection head depends on a number of factors, including the deflection allowance specified by the structural engineer, the partition or lining type, the performance requirements of the system below. In this video, we will be using a British gypsum partition with a -25mm deflection. Other manufacturers' details vary. Always refer to the manufacturer's recommendations. Two layers of coreboard are cut to the same length and width of the head track and fixed to the track. These are called deflection fillets. To maintain system performance, it is imperative the fillets are cut to the correct size. Prior to offering the head track into position, 2 continuous beads of sealant and the self-adhesive continuous fire strip are applied to the deflection fillets. The head track is now ready to be offered up into position and fixed into the slab. Head tracks up to 72mm wide are fixed with a central row of fixings at a maximum of 600mm centres and no more than 50mm in from each end of a continuous section of head track. Fixing type to suit substrate and subject to a successful pull-out test on site. Where 2 sections of head track meet on a continuous section of wall, the fillets and head track should be tightly butted together. Any gaps in the plasterboard are filled with sealant to maintain performance. With the head and base track fixed, the stud work is set out, ensuring the studs are cut at least 25mm short and a minimum of 20mm engagement with the head track. A continuous piece of fixing strap is installed using 2 wafer head screws on every stud. The fixing strap provides a fixings point for the plasterboard at 300mm centres, ensuring no fixings go into the head track. The dimensions between the bottom of the head track and the top of the flat plate should match the specified deflection allowance, in this case 25mm. This allows the head track to deflect with the slab without affecting the finished face of the partition. When 2 sections of fixing strap meet, they must be fixed to a stud using 2 wafer head screws on each section of fixing strap. The framework is now ready for boarding. The plasterboard must be fixed as per the manufacturer's recommendations, ensuring the board is fixed into the fixing strap at 300mm centres and with a minimum of 5mm overlap with the deflection fillets. The plasterboard must not be fixed at any point above the fixing strap. This system is now ready to be taped and jointed or skimmed. The key points to remember when installing a deflection head are: ensure the deflection head fillets are cut to the correct width and length. Install 2 beads of mastic. A continuous fire strip at the head for fire-rated systems. Stud work cut to the correct length. Fixing strap installed correctly. Plasterboard fixed to framework as per manufacturer's recommendations. Plasterboard overlaps deflection fillets by a minimum of 5mm. The deflection allowance is maintained in all locations. Thank you for watching our training video. Please follow us for more videos and updates.